Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our Euro JPY. So on our Euro JPY, in order for us to be able to predict what market is going to be giving us this week, right, we need to go to the higher time frame, which is the weekly time frame, and we need to understand it from the higher time frame. Now take a look at our main trend on weekly time frame. You can clearly see that this main trend is an uptrend move. Market is very much trending to the upside. It is a very bullish move, right? That is what market is literally giving us, right? We are having a series of higher and higher low, as you can see right here on our Euro JPY. So this is our first high. Here comes the higher low. This is the higher high. Here comes the higher low. Now this is also the higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Now market was able to push up again to form a new high. Now this is the equal higher low, right? So in the long run, we would expect EURJPY to push up to form a new higher high. So this movement that I just predicted right now is for traders that would like to hold their position for the next 3 to 6 months. Remember, if you would want to hold your position on EURJPY for the next 3 to 6 months, going for the buy and hold your buy. But for those of you that would like to just want to trade for the week, you just want to know what markets will be doing for this week, we need to see what market is doing on our daily time frame. And as you can see right here, market has literally been ranging within this daily time frame here. Right? You can see it right. Markets will come, tap this resistance, reject from the resistance, come back to our support, reject from the support, come back to the resistance, reject from the resistance, come back to the support, then it will reject from the support, come back to the resistance level, then it's rejected from the resistance level, now it came back to our support, markets rejected from the support level and came back to our resistance, and now markets eventually dropped, even broke below our support level, right? So this is a pullback. We'll be expecting market to give us some more drop again. That is what we'll be expecting, anticipating for next on our EURJPY. So EURJPY needs to give us some more drop. Now, we need to go to the forward time frame to see it properly. So you can sit on the forward time frame properly. So this is the movement right here. This is our lower low. Let's start from here for quick analysis. This is our lower low, and here comes the lower high. Market was able to drop again to form a new lower low, and here comes the lower high. Market then did drop one more time again to form a new lower low, and now here comes the lower high, right? This is the lower high. Now we will be expecting market to continue to drop further till it is able to give us a new lower low. So we are expecting a further sell on EURJPY that should completely take out this low, thereby forming a new lower low for us. So guys, a bearish move is what we are going to be expecting next on our EURJPY. So guys, expect more sell on EURJPY, expect more drop on EURJPY to pay out. So more bearish move is what we are going to be expecting. More bearish move is what we are going to be anticipating for. Now, if in case there is going to be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe to the Telegram channel. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section, and also subscribe to this channel also.